today we're going to be talking about critiques in debate, what they are, the parts of it, different types of Ks, etc. So the word critique comes from a German philosophy school. That's why it starts with a K instead of a C. It is essentially a challenge of everyone's predispositions and assumptions that are made before the debate around this. Can be something like a challenge of capitalism, a challenge of the thought that America is the best country in the world, stuff like that. Right. So just to wrap up, critique, or as we shorten it in debate, a K, is a challenge to the fundamental philosophies that are all assumed before we even enter the debate space. There are three types of Ks. There are Ks of the affirmative, Ks of performance, and Ks of the debate space at large. And really, truly, a K can occur at any point. It's just a challenge to something that is perceived as problematic, or a challenge to something that maybe upholds structural violence and needs to be addressed. And the parts of a K are similar to a disadvantage. However, something that makes it unique is the alternative. Every K needs to have an alternative, or else it just becomes a critical disadvantage. And those are really not as strong as a just K in itself. So the 4 parts, again, framework, how we should view the round. 2 is the link, how whatever the other team did or whatever the 1AC says is wrong or bad or upholds something that is wrong. 3 would be the impact, just the bad thing that occurs, usually structural stuff like structural violence, homophobia, racism, etc., exclusion from debate, exclusion in their performance. And then 4th and finally is the alternative, which is like what we do. Like usually the alternative can even take place within the debate space just by saying, judge in order to reject capitalism, or in order to make amends for their use of a racial slur, like we have to reject the team entirely and you have to vote them down. So that's our video on Ks. We hope you learned something, and make sure to subscribe.
Thanks for watching.